Hey everyone, today I'm breaking down the best crypto trading strategies for beginners. If you're new to the game, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. So you're probably wondering, where do I start? Well, it all depends on your goals and how much time you have to dedicate to trading. First up, let's talk about, this is perfect if you like the thrill of quick gains. Two popular strategies here are, and involves buying and selling within a single day. It's all about catching short-term price movements. You'll need to master technical analysis and indicators like RSI and moving averages. This strategy is best for those who can actively monitor the market and stay disciplined. Then it's about making small profits from frequent trades in extremely short time frames. If you thrive under pressure and can make quick decisions, this could be for you. Just remember, high transaction volume and liquidity are key here. Next, let's move on to, this is for those who can hold their positions for days or weeks, aiming to profit from medium-term trends. You'll need a mix of technical and fundamental analysis. It's great if you can handle moderate risk and prefer a less hectic trading pace. Now, if you're looking for something more hands-off, consider the famous strategy, which stands for hold on for dear life, involves buying and holding assets for months or even years. So this is based on the belief in the long-term growth of a cryptocurrency. Perfect for beginners who prefer a passive strategy is another long-term approach. Here you invest in undervalued projects with strong fundamentals. It requires deep research into the crypto's use case and the team behind it. Definitely for the patient and those with an eye for detail. Now onto, lets you mimic the trades of successful traders on platforms like Binance, eToro or Zulu Trade. This is great for beginners who want to learn and invest passively. Or if you're tech savvy, you might consider, this uses algorithms to execute trades 24/7 based on predefined strategies. A good fit for those who understand trading patterns and coding. When choosing a trading platform, like Binance, Coinbase and Kraken are popular. They offer various tools and high liquidity. For more decentralized options, look at like Uniswap or PancakeSwap, great for DeFi tokens. Finally, some pro tips for beginners. 1. Start with spot trading or hodling to minimize risk. 1. Avoid leverage until you gain more experience. 1. Use copy trading tools to learn from professionals. 1. Always do your research before investing. It's crucial. That's it for today. Remember, trading takes time and practice, so stay patient and keep learning. Happy trading, everyone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.